Looks good. All right, back to the start. Step over and reach. Stretch those fingers out. Do 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 and 1. Cactus arms. 1 up, 1 down. If you had a bit of music going, you might start to sort of jiggle. Zumba. Go 5 more, 4 more, 3, 2, 1. Arms out, 1 hand up, 1 hand down. And we look towards the lifted hand and reach. And just keep alternating. Just imagine you've got a rope that pulls you to the left, pulls you to the right. So you're getting that length between the shoulder blades. And a little bit of shoulder rotation too. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and into our flat back and stand. Eyes forward, so looking into the screen as you come down helps us to flatten the back, which is what we want. We don't want that rounded computer back. Four more. 3, 2, and 1. New exercise. Left leg back, left arm up, and we're going to nudge into that hip and stretch towards the sky. Lift, release, lift, release. So we should be feeling that down the hip flexor, which is a muscle that shortens if we're doing too much sitting and not enough stretching and more walking around. That shortens, tilts the pelvis, lower back pain. So 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, other side. Stretch out there. Right leg is back, right arm is up. Nudge the hip forward and reach. 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. It really is beautiful out here today, isn't it? Try and get some time outside. Cross your legs over. The back leg, the leg that is crossed over to the back, same arm, so left leg is back, right arm, left arm is up. I'm going to lean over and release. Just nudge the hip to the left, or vice versa. 4 more, 3, 2, and 1, and change it over. Other side. I'll just see if anyone else is in the waiting room. I think everybody is in. That's good. 3 more. 2 more. Lovely. 1 more. A little bit of a jiggle. Back to our hip flexor. Left leg back. Left arm up. This time we're going to step into it. So step, nudge, reach. Step back. Step, nudge, reach. Step back. 4 more. 3 more. 2 and 1 more. And change it around. Right leg back, right arm up, nudge, and we're going to step, nudge, and step back. the legs over again. Back leg is left leg. Left arm is up and over. So we don't want to tip forward with this, just a little bit to the side. Taking the hip a little bit to the side. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Change it over. Four more. 3, 2, and 1. A little bit of balance work. We're going to stand on one leg. Hands in prayer position. Look at our fingertips. And already we might be challenged with our balance. So start to move your hands as you feel you can. Whoa. I'm surprised how wobbly I am. I've done a few of these today. And yet, there it is. So keep focusing on your fingertips. Do as much or as little as your body will allow. Change to the other side. Maybe that side's more stable. Don't look into the screen. Look at your fingertips. Focus on your fingertips. That's the first side. It's a good one, isn't it? Sometimes I wonder how it's ever going to get easier. But it does. And some days we're more balanced than others, right? Good job. Now have a bit of a wiggle of the hips and a bit of a washing machine spin, lifting up our heel as we come around. Oh, you're forceful there, Annalie. Going to town.
Going to town.
Beautiful. Do we have any pets forming today? No dogs walking through? We're pretty normal today, aren't we? Shrug and round the shoulders. Beautiful. How's that, ladies?
Good, thank you.
Awesome. All right, so tomorrow you're on your own, and welcome back, ladies. Tomorrow you're on your own, and Monday. And I'll be back on Tuesday, and we'll just do basic stretches again. And then Wednesday we're back on the foam roller and spiky ball. All righty?
All right, thanks, Jo.
Have a great day.
See you, everyone.